On a November Wednesday, we head down to Chelsea's, a table for one on the warped cherry floor. Sarah holds my right hand with a warmth I remember from decades ago as she opens the door. The bells jingle welcome, the past rushes open. She sits me down sweetly, I adjust to the view. It's my 95th birthday and I'm losing my memory, but the smell of warm coffee reminds me of you. All the beauty and joy in a sip of warm coffee can make me forget I forgot how to love. And I see you in Sarah in the least of her motions, the click of a boot or the twist of a glove. I don't know how I know her, how I got to this moment, and I may not see much beyond coffee today. But if I could love, then I swear I would love you until the last stirs of coffee ticked softly away. I get dressed every day like a doll or a king, an incessant routine that I take with surprise. Somehow socks, shoes, and sweaters make a home on my person in a flurry of fingers past unfocused eyes. An array of your photographs greets me each morning. Each morning I mistake them for you for a while. I recite old cliches with what passes for passion. They are props of the bygone and a crutch to my smile. Each day you get lost in a swirl of rainbows, a clockwork of medicines, pink, blue, and green. You are butterfly wings through a moth-eaten sweater. My mind dangles in moments you flit in between. But here I'm starting to focus, Sarah's hand on my shoulder. My lips tingle with coffee and I kiss you through time. But if I could love, then I swear I would love you while the bells on old doorways continue to chime. Sarah steps to the counter to pay the barista. He says thanks to a name that's supposed to be mine. As the daylight blends in to the talk of the weather and the steam in the milk froth continues to whine, I kiss your cheek in a cafe in Jackson, Wyoming, where what must have been love was as deep as the snow. Someone's playing piano, Al Yankovic singing, and we laugh, and you fade, and I'm letting you go. My dearest, your name's gone. I don't know how I lost you. I know you were precious, I just don't know why. But if I could love, then I swear I would love you until angels rain down like stars from the sky. And if I could love, then I swear I would love you until God and eternity dared me to die. And if I could love, then I swear I would love you until unctions to truth had distilled to a lie. Alone with my coffee, Sarah's hand in my hand, I try to kiss you with all of my mind.